Gold IRA investment. A lot of folks are looking at gold. Here we show David Einhorn, a 42-year-old investor with a net worth of over $500 million, and he mentions that gold is the money of choice, and we would like to have a meaningful amount of our assets denominated in gold. Investing in gold and other precious metals has been attracting a lot of attention, not just from David Einhorn and folks like him, but from individual investors. Gold is one of the most comforting opportunities available to investors of all sorts who are thinking about the current economic environment. In today's economy, there are few sure investments for the long term. Given the economic uncertainty, there is a growing demand for gold and other precious metals for personal account investment. This is to protect wealth in the turbulent times that are expected ahead. Let's look at the review topics for this subject. We'll look at an IRA guide, where to get one. We'll look at the top gold IRA companies and how to evaluate them, some important gold IRA facts, and then the best IRA companies. IRA's accounts in the past have primarily included stocks, bonds, and other paper currency-backed assets. Those paper currency-backed assets include such things as U.S. Treasury bills and mortgage-backed securities. Investors and retirement savers can now enjoy the full security of an IRA account backed by physical gold or another precious metal such as silver or platinum. It's a good time to begin diversifying investment or retirement portfolios and putting some money into IRAs that have been trusted and safe throughout history. Gold has long been a trusted form of money and a store of wealth. An IRA guide. Gold has been the universal symbol of wealth for civilizations throughout the ages. It's a monetary metal, and it is actually quite rare. How much gold is there in the world? An interesting fact is that all the gold ever produced could fit in the bottom third of the Washington Monument. I think that's a bit remarkable. The Washington Monument in Washington, D.C. is a fairly big structure, but it's not that big. All the gold ever produced could fit in the bottom third. Half the world's gold is used in jewelry. So that leaves a very small supply of gold to be held in bullion, bars, and coins. It's a very rare element. If you plan to place precious metals such as gold or silver into an IRA plan, you need to know about the many different rules to follow to do it right. It's not hard to do, and the best companies will guide you through each step. You'll find making a gold investment pretty easy. The most important benefit of investing your IRA in gold is the fact that you can enjoy great tax benefits. The money that you earn in asset appreciation from this investment accrues tax-free over the years. You get the full benefit from the increased value of your gold investment. This is a way to build up your retirement fund and make sure you need not worry about your retirement when the time comes. If you are new to investing in physical precious metals, it's very helpful to find a company that provides a comprehensive guide for making this sort of investment. You will see from the information we provide in the reviews on the site simplegoldirarollover.com where you can make such an investment and get the guidance you need to make this process that is relatively easy go smoothly for you. Some of the better known gold IRA companies include Regal Assets, Goldline, Kitco, and Roslyn Capital. And there are many more. Again, just check out the site simplegoldirarollover.com for all the best companies. There are over 15 companies listed on that site, and more are being added. That site reviews the companies for you in one convenient place with all of the particular background and rating information you need to make the right decision. This makes finding a good gold company easy to do. Give that site a look. It's important to select an IRA custodian before you start the investment process. Choose an IRA custodian in advance so that you're able to deposit the transfer amount within that 60-day time window when you're rolling it over from another account. That helps you avoid any extra taxes or penalties. Once you've finished funding the precious metals account, you need to choose the types of precious metals or physical gold that you intend to invest in. Your gold IRA account might limit you to investments in specific types of gold. If you have questions about any of the steps involved, it's always best to talk with the gold company specialist who are there to assist you. The most important benefit investing your IRA into gold is the fact that you can enjoy great tax benefits. You're probably aware of that. The money that you earn in asset appreciation from this investment accrues tax-free over the years. You get the full benefit of the increased value of your gold investment. This is a great way to build up a retirement fund and make sure you need not worry when your retirement comes about. The companies listed on the site simplegoldirarollover.com lead the market for providing gold to the individual buyer. They specialize in setting up precious metals IRA accounts such as a gold IRA account. Give that site a look. When selecting a gold company, it's always buyer beware. You need to do your due diligence. You need to review the companies, look at their ratings, and make the best selection for you. It's important that you make sure the company has maintained a triple or an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau, and you would certainly like a AAA rating from the Business Consumer Alliance. Those are just two fundamentals that you should expect in any gold company that you're looking at. Apart from this, the company should also have a 5-star customer service rating from TrustLink. Customer care professionals from an excellent company help you understand what needs to be done, and they walk you through each step. That's really important when you're setting up a gold or a precious metals IRA. Having somebody there who will take you through each step, and they'll just make the process simple and easy, and you know they know how to do it correctly. So they take all the worry off your shoulders. Gold and other precious metals are a long-term investment. Many people are opting to set up gold IRAs to hold gold for the long term. Other precious metals can also be placed into an IRA, such as silver, platinum, and palladium. Let's summarize things. Finding the right company to handle your precious metals is very important. That's why you need to do some research, look at the sites, check the ratings. Not all companies are the same. Some provide great service and others do not. And the ratings that are posted on Simple Gold IRA Rollover will show you which companies have great customer service with good experience and those where there have been some concerns. Take the time to find the trustworthy and reliable company to help you through the process of buying gold. When selecting a gold company, remember it's important to make sure the company has that A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau and that AAA rating from the Business Consumer Alliance. And you want to make sure they have that 5-star customer service rating from TrustLink. Historically, all fiat currencies fail. All fiat currencies, currencies that are just printed with paper money where there's nothing backing them up, they're not backed by gold or silver or anything of that sort, and the US dollar has not been backed by gold or silver or any precious metals since the early 1970s. All of those have failed. They get printed into oblivion. When that happens, people lose their wealth. So being in assets, having a diversified portfolio of assets can help protect your retirement fund when currencies collapse or there's a currency crisis. And when you're protecting your retirement fund, putting some portion of your money into precious metals that have been historically stores of wealth and real money is one way to protect your wealth in the years ahead. Gold and other precious metals are a long-term investment. Many people are opting to set up gold IRAs to hold gold for that long term. Remember, other precious metals can also be placed in such an IRA. To learn more, see the site. It's a great site with plenty of information right there at your fingertips. simplegoldirarollover.com. Everything you need right there to help you choose the right company for making a gold IRA investment. Give it a look.